Today we're down at my buddy Dan's house. We are going to check out this Green Mountain Grill's pizza oven attachment. It's going to go on his Traeger. We're going to check that out and see how easy it is to put together and see how nice it makes some pizzas. This thing literally came ready to go out of the package. The only thing we had to put together is the handle here. You have your pizza stone, and then it sits down on this. And then this sets down onto your firebox. First step is get your grill grates out of your Traeger. And now we're going to remove this heat shield as well. And then we remove the deflector. Now you have access right here to your firebox, and that's where the bottom of that oven goes, right in there. We'll show you.
Only thing I had to do was install the handle. Other than that, it was fully assembled.
All right, then we put that in there and
Oh, God, that's like a glove. No wonder they said this worked perfect with it.
yeah, perfect. Oh my God, look at that. That does fit nice, huh? It's sturdy. Nice.
They recommend 300 for your first, so you figure it out exactly.
It's cold out here in Michigan. This Traeger is in its cold weather mode. I mean, it's probably, in the 40 degrees here right now, maybe a little colder. So we're gonna let this thing heat up, get it up to 300 degrees and come back out.
Instead of my normal Traeger signature pellets, I'm trying out these new Sam's Club. It's a blend of hickory, oak, maple, and cherry wood. It seemed pretty comparable to the Traeger signature at a much better price point and quantity.
While we're waiting for that Traeger grill to heat up, we went ahead and started getting our pizzas ready.
So I can monitor on the Traeger app how the grill's doing right now. It's quickly climbing in temperature.
Yeah, won't be long now. While we're waiting for the grill to heat up and for that pizza oven to come to temperature, we're gonna go ahead and make our 2 pizzas. We're only doing 2 pizzas tonight because it's our first time using this machine, and we're not gonna do anything fancy, just a regular straightforward pizza using some fresh dough from our local market.
400.
That's gonna launch no problem. All right, we got the grill fired up here. We're gonna go ahead and watch Dan do his first launch. Oh, look at that, it was a perfect launch. That was a perfect launch. All right, we'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, it's coming along nicely. Oh yeah, looking good.
Yeah, that looks good. All right. Let's close that bad boy back up.
All right, she should be good now. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, look at that, huh?
That's pretty good for a first pizza.
Not bad for first time. Yeah, this is Dan's first time using that. It is, that looks like it turned out pretty darn good. Let's show the people the crust underneath. See how it looks too.
Here, I'll pick one up in a second.
Not bad. Is it doughy or what's it look like?
It's cooked. Just I like my pizza with a nice little char on the bottom if I can get it.
Well, the next one.
Prototype.
Yes. We'll learn from here.
Yep. Right. Hot.
So we're curious if it's going to be a little doughy or not,
I don't think so.
because we didn't exactly have the oven super hot, and then we didn't leave it in there a super long time. Thanks, Dan. Oh, it's piping.
It's, yeah, it's hot.
It's piping hot.
cooked though, it's not doughy.
Oh yeah, not doughy at all. That's pretty good. All right, here we go. Launch of our second pizza. Perfect launch.
I'm not sure it's fine. Way better than ever.
It is
Oh, yeah.
fine, yeah. All right, pizza number 2 coming along nicely.
Oh, it's long.
How's that look? Holy cow.
The middle rose up real nice.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks good, huh? I'd say that oven's a success.
I'd say so.
Oh, it was fluffier too.
The middle was a big puffball. First came out, it's just slowly sinking now.
Yeah, it looks amazing actually. That's it. It was that simple. Out of the box, put it on your grill, heat it up, get your pizza ready, slide your pizza off in a nice launch into the oven. You spin it once or twice, and then within just a few minutes, your pizza is done. And they were awesome pizzas. So yeah, I'm a firm believer in the Green Mountain Grill's pizza attachment, and it works great for the Traeger grill. It really does. Thanks for watching.